We are pleased to introduce our new angle grinder series in 1900 watt range. All models in the new range feature powerful 1900 watt motors and is best suited for industrial applications such as oil and gas industry, heavy fabrication industry, and shipbuilding sector. It also has innovative features such as active feedback sensing technology that turns off the motor if the rotation speed suddenly slows down, thereby protecting the motor parts. Improved cooling system for comfortable operation for the user. Equipped with SJS2 system to reduce vibration for increased operator comfort during operation.
The new 1900 watt grinder from Makita reduces the grinding or cutting time by more than 60% compared to a normal 840 watt grinder. This means the labor cost will be reduced by 60%. Therefore, the return on investment is generally under 4 weeks. So, the new grinder pays for itself by extremely high productivity.